Dear students, how are you all? I hope you are enjoying the online classes from our school St. Thomas. And I, Father Jitin, am here to teach you the second chapter of our English grammar. In the last class, with the Richa teacher, you have learned about the first chapter that was about the sentence. Now we are going to see about the two parts of the sentence, that is subject and predicate. Every sentence we can divide into two, that is subject and predicate. And what do you mean by subject? Dear children, subject means the first part of the sentence usually, and it tells who or what the sentence is about. For example, Ajaida is a teacher of German. There, that sentence is about Ajaida. Ajaida is a teacher of German. So the subject is Ajaida. Look at the next sentence. Ajaida's school is in Bhubaneswar. That sentence is about Ajaida's school. So Ajaida's school is the subject there. And what do you mean by predicate? Predicate comes after the subject and it will always contain a verb. And what is the duty of the predicate? The predicate will tell us something about the subject. For example, Ajaida is a teacher of German. There we have seen that Ajaida is a subject, and that predicate part tells us something more about Ajaida. Who is Ajaida? Is a teacher of German. Now we shall see the next part. Subject, we can divide the subject, we can see the subject's form and function now. The subject in a sentence will always be a noun or a noun phrase. Sometimes other types of words like gerund can appear as a subject, but that too will behave like a noun in a sentence. Look at the examples being given there. Fruits contain vitamins. The fruits, as you know, is a noun and it is being used as a subject. Look at the next example there. The exercises in the maths textbook are difficult. There are exercises, maths textbook being used as noun, but that is clubbed together as a noun phrase and it is being used as a subject. So what is the subject here, dear students? The exercises in the maths textbook is the subject. Next sentence. Smoking is banned here. Smoking is gerund. That is ing form of a noun. So smoking is being used as a subject and it behaves as a noun in that sentence. And last time you have studied about the imperative sentences with the Richa teacher. And what are the three functions of imperative sentence? Students, can you recollect? First one is imperative sentences are used to give a command. Secondly, to give an advice. Thirdly, to make a request. There, since the subject is already implied, we omit that subject. For example, look at the example there. Write the heading first or raise your left leg. There, since we know that we are talking about a person nearer to us, we have just omitted the subject from that sentence. And next one, the questions or interrogative sentence. There you need to remember one thing, that subject will never appear in the beginning. Rather, a verb will be appearing in the beginning. Look at the example there. Is Ajaida a teacher of German? Is the verb, Ajaida is the subject, as you know. So the verb comes first. And in the exclamatory sentence too, the subject will never come first. How cute the baby is. As you know, the baby is the subject. And look at the children, look at where the subject is being used. It has never come in the beginning. Now let us see the predicate and what are the forms and functions of predicate. As we have seen, predicate should always contain a verb. And with that verb, the other elements also will be used or can be used, like complements or adverbials or objects, and it will all depend on the nature of the verb. Dear students, look at the example which is being given there. Marin sings. As you know, Marin is a subject, and sings a verb which is being used a predicate as a predicate. Look at the next sentence. Marin sings a song. Marin sings a song. Marin is a subject. Sings is the verb. A song is the object. So in the predicate part, a verb and an object is being used together. So sings a song is the predicate. After a few sentences, the place looks familiar. The place looks familiar. There, the place is the subject, as you know. Looks is the verb, and familiar is a complement. So, a verb as well as a complement is being used together to make a predicate. So, this is the end of our chapter. So, let us just recollect what we have learned in this chapter. This chapter is all about subject and predicate, which are the two parts of a sentence. Subject is the first part, and it tells who or what the sentence is all about, and predicate comes after the subject, and it contains a verb, and it tells something about the subject. Then we have seen the forms and functions of subject as well as predicate. So with this I end my class here, and with the you will be getting a PDF file, and in that PDF the questions and answers, the exercises have been given there. So dear students, as we have done in the first chapter, please write the exercises as well as the answers to your textbook, and if you have any doubts, feel free to ask me as well as to Orissa teacher. Thank you very much. I wish dear students a good day and enjoy your time with your parents. Thank you.